guys, welcome to the channel in this series IT solution. Today's video is going to be very quick and very short. We're going to talk about how you can pause a WhatsApp status. To pause a WhatsApp status, you need to open your WhatsApp, you go to your status, then you go forward to open a status. To pause the status, you will use 3 fingers to tap on the screen once the status starts running, and then immediately it will pause the status. When you use 2 fingers, it won't work. You have to use 3 fingers only. Then the next tip or trick is how to save or download a viewed status on WhatsApp. There are a lot of ways to do this, but here are the 2 simple ways. The first is to use the app called WhatsApp Status Saver, which you can download or install on Google Play. It will allow you to download or save any WhatsApp status you have viewed, and here is how it works. And then the second way to save or download any WhatsApp status is by using your Zender app. And you do that by opening your Zender and then click on social, then click on the WhatsApp icon we have here. Once it loads, it will display all the WhatsApp status you have viewed, and then you click here to download it, or you click here to repost or share it again. If you find this video very helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you.